Hey, it's Chris Gately, Gately Properties, your friend in the real estate business. I had a lot of people reach out to me after the SB91 video and wanted to know some more information about SB91. And I have some answers now. So let's go ahead and talk about it right now. So SB91 was signed into law and went into effect on February 1st, 2021. And what that did is it set up an assistance fund for California renters. Also, it helped out landlords, but we'll get into that in a minute. So applications now can start coming in as early as mid-March. Landlords and tenants would be allowed to apply for those dollars beginning mid-March 2021 for assistance distributed through the Department of Housing and Community. So that's who you're going to go to. The law requires the new system to begin accepting applications no later than March 15th. So they have to start very shortly here. The program, however, prioritizes who gets the funds first. Remember, this is only a certain amount of money available. Round one is eligible households who are under the 50% median income. So for Los Angeles County, a family of four median income is $70,700. So you have to be making about 50% in that first round. So if you're making around $35,000 a year and you have a family of four, you are considered perfect for this one. Now, round two, if there's still funds available, we'll go to communities disproportionately impacted by COVID-19 as determined by the Department of Housing and Community Development. So we'll see how that works out. Now, round three is for the rest of us who may be part of an eligible household, but you have to be making 80% or less of the median income. Once again, median income for a family of four in LA County is $70,000 roughly. So 80% of that is roughly around $56,000 a year for a family of four. So that's going to cover a lot of people. Now, the other question I got is, what could these funds be used for? Well, the first part that the funds are supposed to be used for is to pay rent in arrears. That's late payments, right? So paying the rent that was due, and it has to be due between April 1st, 2020 and March 31st, 2021. So getting that caught up. Prospective rent payments. Now, a landlord might be able to request, if there's still funds, up to 3 months future payments. And then the last one is that these funds can be used to pay utilities that are also in arrears. So if you haven't paid your water, your gas, your electric. I'm not sure if cable is considered a utility yet. I don't think it is. Internet, there's some argument that it should be, especially if you're homeschooling right now. So anyway, that's a different argument altogether. Now, is a landlord required to participate in this? No, the landlord is not required to participate. But if the landlord does choose to participate, they will have to sign an agreement saying that they are going to be forgiving the unpaid rent. So in other words, they're going to get 80%, but 20% they have to forgive, that they're not going to try collecting. That basically by accepting this, that you are caught up on your missed payments. Now, what if they say no, right? So there was already a rule in effect where you as the tenant had to at least be making 25% of the rent payment for them not to be able to go after you for an unlawful detainer. That period expired in, I believe, January 31st, and it is now extended under the new law a little bit further out, I believe, towards June 30th, 2021. As of July 1st, 2021, they can evict you. But you have to at least have been paying 25% of your rent and to have had your income reduced because of COVID. Now, you're just signing under penalty of perjury that happened. There's no real checks yet, but we'll see. Now, landlords, one of the very interesting things is it does require a delivery of a new form, an updated form called the Notice to Tenant of COVID-19 Tenant Relief Act. It is required that be given no later than February 28th, 2021. If you need a copy of that, I'm sure you can find one on the internet, or contact your local real estate attorney or property management company. They might be able to help you. But what do you think? Is this a good thing? Is this a bad thing? This is just more information, obviously. The idea is to help people who have not been able to pay their rent. But does it help enough people? Does it not help the right people? Here's the question. I don't know. What do you think? Put your comments down below, and I'd love to hear from you. And then, of course, as we get more information or these laws change, I will try to bring you more updated information. So with that, if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and click that notification button so that you're updated when we have the latest information. And with that, have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.